Bonjour à tous et welcome back to la Forêt French class. Today we are going to talk about something that's going to happen very soon. No, not the next episode of your favorite Netflix show. We are talking about Futur Proche, the near future tense in French. So grab your notebooks, a cafe maybe, and let's dive right in. So, first things first, what is the Futur Proche? The Futur Proche is how we say something is going to happen very soon in French, like in the next few minutes, hours, or maybe days. In English we say, I'm going to eat, but in French we say, je vais manger. Sounds familiar, right? Let's see how to form it now. Alright, here's the formula you need to remember. Subject plus aller plus infinitive verb. Now let's break it down. Subject, which is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Then we have to conjugate aller in present tense, which is je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, il, elle, vous. Then add the infinitive form of the action verb. That just means the verb in its basic form, like manger, finir, venir, aller. Here are some examples of Futur Proche. Je vais étudier ce soir. I'm going to study tonight. Nous allons regarder un film. We are going to watch a movie. Ils vont visiter Paris. They are going to visit Paris. Now let's see how to form negative sentences using Futur Proche. Just put ne and pas around the verb aller. For example, je ne vais pas manger. I am not going to eat. Ils ne vont pas sortir. They are not going to leave. And voila, you have just mastered one of the most useful tenses in French, the Futur Proche. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment down below. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire aujourd'hui? I will see you in the next video. Till then, à bientôt.